Hello, dear creatives. You're welcome to Naija Canva channel. I am Hilda I Anokehi, an animal science graduate on graphic design survey. My love for creative arts and art in general made me turn towards graphic design, Canva being the focal point on this channel. This channel, you are going to be learning how to make beautiful, exquisite, and all-time presentable designs on Canva using just your mobile phone. Watch out for videos on social media graphics like Instagram feeds. Also be learning design principles, logo making, video making, and editing using Canva. You're going to be learning website designs using Canva and a whole lot of others. So do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos once I upload on Saturdays. I'm here to help you and make your design journey very easy for you. Do well to subscribe and tell your fellow creatives too about this channel. I hope to see you at the other side. Cheers to a better you.